Your next car could be the 2020 INFINITI Q50. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Elevate your daily drive in this luxurious and athletic Q50. Sleek and upscale, this well-appointed sports sedan offers the highly satisfying ride you've been waiting for. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, universal garage door opener. You deserve the luxury this Q50 has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.